Founded in 2008, Smartdata Technologies in Bangladesh provides industry-leading cybersecurity solutions not just in Bangladesh, but also in Sri Lanka, Singapore, and UAE. With more than about 20 years of experience and knowledge, Smartdata Technologies successfully brings about the world's most promising solutions to close the cybersecurity gap. Today, we are given the opportunity to speak with Smartdata Technology CEO, Mr. Fazlur Rahman, who is responsible for the dynamic development of smart data and for providing unparalleled cybersecurity products and services that meet all the critical information technology needs. So stay tuned with us to find more about how the process of digitalization with Finetech Google impacted smart data technologies as a whole. Mr. Fazlur, we warmly welcome you. Hi, and we appreciate in giving us this opportunity to talk with you. And I know you have a very busy schedule, but thank you for squeezing us in your busy day. And so I'll just hop on to the first question. So that is, how did you see the necessity of collaboration and networking for the growth of your company, and especially the impact of cloud services? And how did you see, like, what difficulties and technology gaps that you see that needed to be addressed? So what did you think, why Google would be the best fit?
Okay, so thanks for your introduction about smart data, and thanks for the opportunity to talk to you. So basically, we started long back in Bangladesh, and obviously that time cloud was not there, but nowadays everybody knows about cloud. So when we started, and obviously from 2008, 10, 12, collaboration is the main thing which we noticed that which is changing the world dramatically. And obviously the cloud and cloud space, like when Google offered their first Gmail, it was free. It was, I believe it was 1 GB. That time 1 GB is something which people cannot imagine. It's a huge space for anyone. So Gmail started this personal, and later it's G Suite now. So obviously I will thanks Google, and obviously then Microsoft and many other scenario. So I think collaboration is the main thing. File sharing as a SI, as a distributor, is very important for us to share the documents with our clients, our partners, our team members, and obviously the video conferencing, and obviously Google Sheet, Google Doc was also play a good role. At a whole, I think that was the vision Google, Microsoft, and other competitors saw, I think 10, 20 years back, and now we all are enjoying this facility. So this was the pain point. I think collaboration, if I can say in a single word, it is collaboration.
Yes, so it has been like a great, the journeys as such, like the collaboration and networking has been very important nowadays. I would like to take you back to 2012, where you first obtained Google solutions with us. And how did you see the transition? What made you choose Finetech, and what made you feel safe, and what was your experience? And was there any difficulties during the implementation, and what challenges that you faced, and how it was taken care of?
Okay, so first is Google. I love Google, obviously for its interface. It's very easy. We know how to search, even how to click and how to search the entire email. It is very fast than the competitors. The interface is very fast than the competitor. So the transition from other email solution to Google is very easy, as we have that migration tool, and also Finetech has a good team who guided us for migration of all the email. We never faced the issue. We are using it for many years now. Never we faced a single issue. That's the best thing.
Fantastic. It's nice to know about that. And I think
obviously Google helps you all best. I think is spam protection. As I am a technical guy, I will thank Google for this excellent feature. Where the other email servers, we get hundreds and thousands of spam mails. Google can, give you a very accurate result.
Absolutely. So I think it's safe to say that to be sustainable, to last, in this fast-changing environment, we have to make sure that we have the best in IT infrastructure, so people learn to work together, like in the same wavelength. So I assume Google allows you to create that whole new wavelength and to improve efficiency and productivity. How do you like to comment on that?
Yeah, obviously, as we can collaborate faster, we can do all the things faster. The efficiency is much better now. And I will not only limit myself into Gmail or G Suite, as we have now Google Classroom and many other solutions. The entire Google products giving a huge change in the social environment. Like I believe during the COVID, the Google Classroom was hugely adopted by the schools in Bangladesh. So even my kids, they are quite okay how to use Gmail, how to make a Google Meet, how to collaborate. So it's not a very easy task to design such user-friendly interface. So that's where Google is the best.
Yes, yeah, I would very much agree with you also. So did you find, I would need your honest opinion on this, and what did you feel like? Did you find the customer service element, the support team, the 24/7 support to be true towards what Finetech claims, and was it on par with your expectation, like the post-sale service and the implementation process and whatever the support that you and your staff needed? How did you see that?
Basically, number one, as I honestly tell you, if you go to Google, then and after that you don't need any support. That is from my experience. So we got a very good support during the implementation from the team. And after that, whenever we needed them for any query, or maybe we found very advanced level of technical issue one time on the email spoofing, I think, we got a very good support from the team. But honestly, if you use Google, it will not give you any chance to ask support.
Yes, and we are actually, as we claim, we are dedicated to provide the same service and to provide the best service, as you said. And so if we give you an opportunity to write out a wish list for Google and for Finetech consultancy, what would you like to have provided for you, for your company growth, and for your success in the future?
I think for Finetech, we can expect that they can arrange maybe half-yearly, let's say a session a year or a session in every 6 months to highlight the new features, because Google is coming with new features. So if we can get a session, they can arrange a common session for all the Google customers, or can speed this session here. So we will be able to know the new features. And if they can also give us a proactive support, let's say whether the new feature we have implemented or not. This kind of routine, if they can do it, will be really good. On Google, as a technical guy, I will expect that their Gmail will come with DRM, that is digital right management, or access management, and email, more security on email, that is email encryption. So if those features we can get in the basic version which we use, the paid version, it will really help, because those features are now mandatory things, not optional. It should not be optional. I think email is nowadays a legal issue. So if we can get those features in Gmail, it will be
well, thank you. I will definitely convey that message to my management, as well as we will be having discussions with Google as well. So, well, Mr. Fazlur, it's been an absolute pleasure to spend this time with you and to get to know your valuable thoughts and how Finetech and Google has impacted your company and for the greater success. And we wish you all the very best and success to you in the future. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.